Wheelzy Car City being peaceful. It disgusts me. Now it's time to boom. Boom.
Why do you look so nervous, huh? Blast! Don't let him escape! Tell me where the rest of the bombs are. Now!
Please, don't crush me. School, Sector 9, and Drive Garage.
Let's save the city now!
Oh no! Well, look what it is.
Hello, everyone. Like every year, this year also a race will be held for the strongest gas station officer.
Hello, officer. We are also participating in this race.
No, sir, not possible.
Anyone from Wheelzy Car City can participate in the race. And the winner is Victus. Victus, you have proven yourself to be more than just a racer. You are a true champion. Your speed, skill, and determination have brought glory to Wheelzy Car City. As a reward for your incredible victory, I officially appoint you as the gas station officer. May your journey continue to inspire us all. This champion will now take on a new responsibility as the official gas station officer of Wheelzy Car City.